Welcome to our beginner's guide on how to use Google Sheets, a powerful tool for creating and managing spreadsheets. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of Google Sheets and show you how to get started. Let's dive in. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the Google Sheets interface. At the top, you'll find the toolbar with various options for formatting, editing, and more. On the left, you'll see the column labels ranging from A to Z and beyond, and on the top, you'll find the row numbers. To enter data, simply click on a cell and start typing. You can also use the arrow keys to navigate between cells. If you want to edit a cell, just double-click on it, make your changes, and press Enter. To format your data, select the desired cells and use the toolbar options to change font styles, colors, and alignment. You can also apply conditional formatting to highlight cells based on specific criteria. Now, let's talk about formulas. Formulas are powerful tools that perform calculations and automate tasks in Google Sheets. To start a formula, simply type an equal sign in the cell and then enter the desired formula. For example, let's say you want to calculate the sum of values in cells 1, 2, I, B, 1. You can use the sum function to generate the result. Google Sheets offers a wide range of functions such as sum, average, and if, which you can use to perform complex calculations. Collaboration is another great feature of Google Sheets. You can easily share your spreadsheets with others, allowing them to view, edit, or comment on the document. Just click on the Share button in the top right corner and enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. Lastly, Google Sheets provides various charts and graphs to visualize your data. Simply select the range of cells you want to include in your chart. Click on the Inserts menu and choose the chart type you prefer. And there you have it. You now have the basic knowledge to start using Google Sheets. Remember to explore the various features and experiment with different formulas and formatting options to make the most of this powerful tool. Happy spreadsheeting! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.